AirPods Pro are very popular. You can't buy them. You want to buy them, you can't buy them. I never thought, I don't know why. I just, maybe I thought it, but seeing it happen, I remember when we first started talking about fully wireless earbuds and thinking, man, that's a ways off. They're too expensive. Is everybody really prepared to spend $200 on headphones? People are complaining about spending $700 on a phone. How many people are prepared to spend $200 on headphones? Like, that was a real... You want to know how many, Will? I got a number here for you. I hope you're ready. I hope you're sitting down.
I am.
Don't you hate when people say that? Are you sitting down? Hey, how's it going? Are you sitting down?
Yeah.
Then they give you the terrible news. And you're like, Apple is expected to ship 65 million AirPods in 2019 and potentially 85 million to 90 million in 2020.
Wow.
What? $90 million. 90 million in 2020. 65 million in 2019. You don't buy these things every year. Okay, that's 150 million people. Okay, you got 300 million in the US. Number one market. Why do people love AirPods so much?
That's a lot of radiation floating around.
You think that's what it is? They're loving the radiation.
Well, just saying.
The Pro model that just came out is so popular you can't buy it anywhere, and it's being marked up on eBay. I didn't even know this because we had them sitting here for a while now.
Huh.
People are charging $100 above retail price on eBay so others can get it in time for Christmas
Wow.
because you can't find it anywhere. Apple's been sold out forever. A few other retailers have been able to hold on to some stock. Verizon says they can get you a pair near Christmas, shortly after Christmas. If you get it from AT&T and T-Mobile, they're sold out. You can't get it from them. Verizon's website will ship it on the 27th of December, they say. Amazon was doing a $10 discount, but that's over. They're out of stock. You actually can't get AirPods Pro, even if you want to, this holiday season. So that's your hot gift. That's the gift of 2019 for Christmas. There have been other, you remember Tickle Me Elmo?
Yeah.
Turbo Man.
Remember this?
He was the hot gift.
Yeah, with Arnold.
I remember there was a hot gift my dad and I had to go pick up for my sister. It was some type of a horse. It was like a large horse that would move its head. And we had to go pick that up for my sister.
Oh.
Some dude was reselling it and marked up the price to like double, as you would.
Yeah.
Supply and demand. I wasn't mad about it. We shook hands.
Okay.
We said, there you have it, brother. Well done. See if you can find Hatchimal was a thing. See if you can find this horse real quick. Robot horse moves head. It's dangerous. No. Way bigger and furry. It was furry. It had fur on it.
Is it a pony?
It's a pony, maybe.
Is it this?
No. It doesn't have wheels like that, does it? No, it doesn't have... Oh, it looked more like those ones over there. No. Maybe it talked, or it definitely had sound effects, and it moved its head back and forth like this. You know, eventually what happened... I'll tell you eventually what happened. I mean, it looked like that, but it was way cooler because it moved around. It swung its head. You want to know what was crazy about that? After my sister grew up and stopped using it, my dad used it to scare geese off the lawn.
Oh.
You will put it out there and
Like a scarecrow.
like in a big he has a big yard over there.
It's just swinging its head.
And the geese would
right.
approach because they would want to dominate the lawn.
Yeah.
And which they will, by the way, to be clear. So he put that out there, and the geese would approach him or swing its head because it was motion activated and battery operated. And they would book it when they saw that,
Yeah.
as you would if you were a goose in 2019.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't. But I'm just saying geese have different things to worry about in 2019 than they ever would have in the past, like robotic horse heads. That was not on the radar in 1942. They would just get shot, I guess, in 1942. So maybe it's better off. I think it's better for a goose in 2019, come to think of it. I mean, but they got to deal with a lot of air traffic, planes and things. Signals, cell phone signals, Jeff Bezos. They got to deal with Jeff Bezos.
Yeah.
Anyway, AirPods Pro, you can't get them for the holidays. You might have to pay a premium. Out of stock everywhere. Best Buy, Walmart, Target, Amazon, Apple, obviously. And it turns out 150 million people have these things. So I apologize to the world. Everyone's wearing headphones now. And they're fully wireless. So they don't care about you anymore. Those people. Those people are no longer interested in the real world. They are connected to AirPods Pro, noise canceling. They're not available to you anymore. Well, you don't talk to people. They got their AirPods on. You understand?
I talk.
No,
them,
they're not available.